Bonfire Night Fallen Special, but I had to give you the chance to see this. It's absolutely stunning. This isn't in the special, but these fireworks are amazing. Wow. I think these are the clearest fireworks I'll ever see in this house. Oh, you can get the claps. Oh, fair enough. There's only another one. I'll have a compilation, and I'll have another compilation soon enough of these damn things. Oh, it's such a shame I have low, loud noise tolerance, otherwise I'd be bloody loving these right now, because they look beautiful. Sure, they may be bad for the environment, but it's not like Greta Thunberg who's going to confiscate them all. Oh, this one might be a bit shorter. Oh, look, here's some more. There we go. Try not to knock over the popcorn here as well. Wow. Okay, this one's longer than the last one. Still going. Okay. Oh my god. Here's more. Hopefully there's another one. I have a compilation of these by the end. I can make it episode 2. Right, a bit later on into this part 2 now. I've already had 2 stunning ones. I've missed a couple of giant ones. So hoping one will just spring up then. But yeah, I'll see you when the next interesting one comes up. Oh, I can hear one, but... Ooh. Come on, there'll be another one in a minute. It's gonna be another one soon enough. Oh, they're all in a place where I can't bloody see them. There you are. Hang about. There's a fire there. There's gonna be a massive fireworks display again! And so begins. So one bit of fire in that lock, and I've started recording. Whee! Camera doesn't want to focus. There we are. Ah. That was all from that one. Another fire, another fire. Come on. That it? You got a firework out of it at least. People have entered that cheeky little opening into that field there from the Lizzle. Looks like it's about to be fireworks time, this. Come on, lads. May have another cheeky old fireworks display for us. Right, well, there'll be some fireworks coming up. Right, let's go. While we're at it, I'm waiting for something to hopefully happen. See if there's any cheeky old fireworks going on beforehand. I'll come back to you when something happens. Behind the lid or something happening. It's not letting me get to it though. Right, the fire's been lit. Run, mate. I'm sure that's exactly what they thought would happen. Looks like that's all for now. I reckon stuff is coming soon, you know. Oh, well, dear. That was a big one. I think they were celebrating there as well. I mean, I'm not celebrating how poorly you filmed that, but, you know. There's always poor filming. Oh, there's another one coming. There's some there. Here's this one. There you are. Sound fireworks, you know. I'm getting 2 episodes out of this. See what's going on. Hopefully something will happen. That was sad. Nearly missed that one.
Number 2.
Damn you, damn YouTube short. There's another one coming.
So here are a few things that you should look for on a compass.
Bit too hard that one for me to properly film that. Another one. Sorry about the YouTube shorts in the background. Oh, that is nice. That is nice. That is nice. YouTube shorts are off for this one. And there's another firework coming. Right. Come on, there's the... Sorry, that one was a bit blurry. Got a rough idea what it looked like. I like the look of it with all the circles and how low the pixelation is. And, yeah. Another one is coming. It's from the same lads. Oh god. Better get them from here, you know. How weird does that look like? That happened! Okay, here we go again. Sorry about that, my hand was over the camera. Oh, bloody hell. What? Bloody hell. For those who are worried, they're fine. And there'll probably be another one set off. Oh! Nearly missed that one. Yeah, they're fine. It looks dangerous on one hand, doesn't it? Right. So, they'll be releasing another one soon, so I'll just continue.
Mom, can you help with this homework, please? Yeah, I guess. What do you need help with? This stupid book assignment is due tomorrow. How many questions?
Here we go again. Right, let's actually pay attention this time. That was a good one. Shorter off. And soon enough the firework will be too. That was a big one. Come from somewhere that I can't really film. Oof. Never mind, they're somewhere down there. Can't really see much more than what you're seeing. Yeah, they're done. Right, might as well just wait for these fellas to give another one. Ooh. Oh. Oh, go. Cool, to be fair. It's gonna blow up, it's gonna blow up, it's gonna blow up, it's gonna blow up. I don't think this was quite what they were expecting. Still a fire, like. They burst out another one and trying to respond to Joel's bloody text. Sorry about that. Watching one of Joel's Trains and Robox's video over like the River of Light. I think it's something to do with Diwali. Because that's going on right now as well. Oh. That didn't go to plan, I don't think. Oh, bloody hell. Dangerous bloody job this. Right, let's continue watching this video until they give us some other. Oh god, I could have missed this one. I'm replying to text and that. Oh, bloody hell. I thought that one was going to be another massive failure. Crap, I need to turn this off. So with that Planet Jackson video. That's a community post. Why is it going past my house? Ah! Plus, you'll get to a perfectly cut screen from me and I barely even filmed it correctly. Missed that one. Oh, gutted. Got the last bits.
What's me then?